Star Alliance Network would like to be the first ones to welcome you to Houston, Texas, local time, 5:35 p.m. We are going to make taxis for the next few minutes. Please remain seated. With your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please remember to check out your sitting area for personal belongings from ground aboard. Take care when opening the overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. There will be a United representative to meet this aircraft to assist with any questions that you may have regarding your connecting flight. Please have all documents ready to be presented to the customs and immigration officials. Houston is your first port of entry into the country. It has been a sincere pleasure having you with us today. We hope to see you in another United Airlines flight in the near future. When I wish you a pleasant stay here in the Houston area, the city or country of your final destination. Thank you for choosing United. Have a great evening. Use the cellular telephones